Nongïalam cricket barim ubaderu Nongïalam ke All India Trinamool Congress AITC. Ukriti azad haka arpu artrik unopra. Kynthoh yakadur Jong menteri rang baadu keri. Dak babeteng yakadur Jong Narendra Modi barkawai parkadur. Bakdau yakidak bapren haka Jymphong Khasi bat ongru ithu shinrang ni Kynthoh shu nakajan ba upong. Bat kidon kidak bakdau balada don kibakwa ban thiet kila ban order. Hagi kentien ba ulat ho la don ru ka Jing la setia ban batai la kadai ka Kynthoh ni ushinrang kadai tang ka Jymphong style Jong kilingdo. Nakaliang menteri rang ba ka jela ukon rat sangma bat kumju nakaliang uba Ernest Mauri ubadai ru state president Jong ka BJP unit kila dawa ba new Nongïalam ka AITC udai ban panma mardor.
Yes, I saw the particular tweet that was given by one TMC leader regarding the traditional wear that the Honorable Prime Minister was wearing, which is a Khasi traditional dress. And it is really, really unfortunate that the TMC leader has made such a statement which is very, very insulting to the people of our state, and especially to the Khasi tribe and the people of our state. This is a very insensitive statement that has been made, and the concerned political party must apologize for insulting our people and our culture, and the leaders of this political party in the state also must apologize, and the individual who has made the statement must apologize for this kind of insulting statement that he has made against the people of our state and against the culture of our people. Thank you.
On the statement of TMC leader Kirti Ajat mocking the attires and PM Modi is very sad for us. It is not acceptable by our party. So the Honorable Prime Minister, he respect our traditional by mocking the Khasi attire which our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi proudly wore is as unacceptable, no? Because you see, this fellow, he insult the traditional, our Khasi dress. So I appeal the people, the citizen of our state, to condemn this statement. And I request the people not to vote the TMC party because they have insulted our traditional dress, which our Prime Minister, whenever he visits our state, he proudly wears this traditional dress of our Khasis. And this fellow, he has to make an apology to our society.